Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Khalid here with Please Don't Fall in Love with Me. Alright, so we have 4 chords here that goes in the same way through the entire song. We need to use a capo here because we want the easiest chords possible for this. So capo, please put that on the first fret and let's go. So we have F, D minor, A minor, and C. We're going to look at the chords. So starting here with the F and the bar chord, that is, you have to play a bar there on the first fret with the index finger. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have D minor next, and that is open D, second G, third B, first E. A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then C. That is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so that is the chord progression here. We have a strumming pattern that goes very similar here for both chords, but really not. So we're gonna take a look at the 2 different parts here. We're gonna look at the transition here between the first 2 chords, the F and D minor. So F will be part 1. You will play down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up, down, up. And then you do a short pause and switch to the next chord, in this case the D minor. And that pause is pretty much to take away the first down from the part 1 and just continue with up, down, up. So you take away the first down, you don't have down, up in part 2, you just have up, down, up. And you just continue in the same way, clap, up, down, up. And that pause is where you should play the down, the first down, if that makes sense. So you have part 1, down, up, clap, up, down, up, pause, and then up, clap, up, down, up on the D minor. And that is the formula for the next 2 chords. You're gonna play A minor, part 1, in the same way as F, down, up, clap, up, down, up, then pause, and then you go to C and play up, clap, up, down, up. So, 1 round slowly goes. And that's it for Khalid's Please Don't Fall in Love with Me. So, hope this was helpful, and if it was, support me here on Growing Guitar, and I really appreciate all that. So thank you for watching, and play tuned.